Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about is Bluetooth device name setting. How can we change? Means how can we rename our Bluetooth device name, guys? You want to rename your Bluetooth device name? You want to change your Bluetooth device name into any another name? So how can you change? In this video, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video, friend, first of all, go and subscribe the channel. Click the bell icon and like my video. So and first of all, we will on our phone setting. Friends, you can see this type of setting. Friends, you can see your connected device setting. Tap here guys, click on your pair new device setting first of all. Then guys, you can see your device name setting guys. Tap here. Now we will tap here and we will cut this device name guys. New device name guys, you can change according to yourself. So example for guys, we will change into lava phone and a rename option. Tap here. So friends, you can check your Bluetooth device name may change into lava phone. So like that guys, you want to change. So as you can change in your lava phone, your Bluetooth device name you can rename. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.